Well, good evening, everyone. This is Mike Bass back again with another forecast update for you for this January the 14th, 2024. I'm hoping everybody had a great Sunday out there so far. Everybody has a great Sunday evening. Hope everybody continues to stay safe and well and also enjoy the weather because it's the only weather you got. Okay, in today's video, we're going to be talking about your temperature for Monday through Saturday of next week. Well, this week through next Saturday, next weekend, that is. Also, we're going to take a look at the weather radar across the nation. Also, we're going to take a look at the watches, warning, advisory map because we got a winter storm raging from Texas all the way to the mid-Atlantic region, excluding the southeast United States. It's going to be just pretty much from the Texas area to the Tennessee, Ohio River Valley into the portion of the mid-Atlantic, and then it will race on off into the northeast later this week. We'll talk about the 7-day rainfall totals over the next 16 days. So stick around to the entire video. Do not miss a beat of this forecast. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, go ahead and smash that subscribe button. You're in. You get my forecast once a night so far. I'm just doing it once per day so far. Hopefully, maybe I can start doing it twice per day sooner or later. So that way we can get back on track again. And I'll have 2 forecast updates, hopefully coming up soon. I might have to try to go live one night again. Hopefully, maybe I can get live once again. That way everybody get a chance to interact with me. If you want to talk to me again, you're welcome to. All right, but anyway, let's go ahead and get the show on the road there, folks. And like I said, if you have not subscribed, subscribe today. Do not click off of this video without subscribing before you leave. All right, well, let's go ahead and get the show on the road here, folks. It's in portion of Montana, always diving down to the Oklahoma region, also into portions of Missouri, all the way far east over into Michigan, also in the portion of Indiana. We got teens and 20s stretching from the northeast all the way down into Texas, extending all the way back into portions of mid-5 in Dallas. All right, let's move on to your Tuesday temperatures. Okay. Here it is. We're on our Tuesday forecast now. As you can see here, we have temperatures and still in the single digits across portions of Minnesota. Montana, back over toward Minnesota. Also into northern Michigan. Also back down, all the way back over towards the with temperatures in South Carolina for your Tuesday. We're looking at 82 in Miami, 81 down toward the Florida Keys. Still in the 30s and 40s for daytime highs here in Texas. We still got the warmer temperatures on the Pacific west coast and also the southwestern areas. We got the upper 30s in Washington State down to 48 portions of southwestern areas of Oregon. Also, we had a low 60 down towards the San Francisco, toward Los Angeles. 68. In the mid 50s. Alright, it's about changed to, here we go. We're on our Wednesday forecast now. As you can see, we still got the single digits starting to kind of erode away slowly. We got them about 10 degrees up in portion of Montana. We have about 8 degrees over in North and South Dakota. Well, North Dakota, South Dakota about 16 degrees. We have teens over here in single digits in Minnesota, Wisconsin. 16 degrees over here around the Great Lakes region. 20 degree high temperature in northern Maine. Then we have about 25 toward Philadelphia. We have about 43 in the Outer Banks of North Carolina. 45 in Columbia, South Carolina. We got 50s a little bit down across southern Georgia, northern Florida. 54 around the Jacksonville area of Florida. We have the 75 down in Florida Keys. 73 over toward Orlando. Texas, I bet you're getting back into the 60s over there. Also, some of that warmer air starting to push back into the Denver area. Also back over towards areas of Utah. You're back in the mid to upper 30s. Also, we got degrees over towards San Francisco and towards Las Vegas, Arizona. All right, let's take a look at your Thursday forecast temperatures. Sorry about this computer being a little slow, but we're going to try to get through it somehow. Forecast temperature. Okay, it's still updating those temperature for date. These are daytime highs, folks. These are daytime high temperatures. So having a little computer problem again. But here we go. Alright, as you can see, we got a lot of warm air starting to push a lot of that cold air back up north. But we still got single digits extending through portions of Montana, also back in the south and North Dakota, back down toward Iowa, also over towards the Great Lakes region, over toward Wisconsin, and also up in the northeast toward Maine, Kansas region, all the way towards the western areas of Montana, northern Idaho. Then we're 69 there, 60 towards San Francisco, 74 in southwestern areas of Arizona. We have temperature 56 in Dallas. We have a degree toward the Houston area. We have 76 in Miami, Florida, 79 toward the Florida Keys, 59 here, 53 in Columbia, South Carolina, 49 toward the Charlotte and Raleigh-Durham area, 52 along the Outer Banks of North Carolina, and 39 degrees for your Washington, D.C. area, and 32 for Philadelphia for your Thursday high temperature. Now let's see if we can get to your Friday temperatures now. These are daytime highs, folks. These are daytime highs what I'm going through. So these are your daytime highs forecasted. So okay, here's your Friday temperatures. As you can see here here's the single 37 in Washington D.C. down toward Columbia, South Carolina 54. Down about Miami, we got 80, 79 down toward the Florida Keys. Then we got 53 toward Houston, 38 in Dallas. We have 60 over toward San Francisco, 68 over into Los Angeles. Coast also back in the south. Saturday forecast 15 degrees and 21 up in the main area for your Friday. Alrighty, here we go. Alright, you can see here we got single digits up here in Portland, Minnesota. We got the 30 to 40 warming up and the portion of the upper Midwest. Still got around 64 degrees toward Los Angeles. Also 61 San Francisco. 49 down toward Houston. We got in Miami. We have 39 degrees here in 5 for your area of Charlotte, the Raleigh area, 38 toward the Outer Banks, 30 in Washington, D.C., 23 toward Philadelphia, 22 in Boston, and we have about 15 toward Toronto, Canada, and 9 degrees toward Ottawa, Canada, and 18 degrees toward Detroit, Michigan. All right, well, that's your temperature. for the next. This may be a 50-minute video. Sir, your radar needs to be fixed. It's not working on my computer. If anybody at the National Weather Service main office there, you need to fix your radar. It's not working that well. Flag warnings up here in portions of Maine, also back into New Hampshire. Also, we have special weather statements stretching down for New York State. We have winter storm warnings and advisories for New York State as well. We got a big pocket of winter storm advisory in Virginia, western North Carolina through Tennessee, and all the way down into areas of Alabama, Mississippi, Louisiana, and all the way into Arkansas, also into areas of Missouri, eastern and central Texas. We even got some ice storm warning across Louisiana. Also, we have a wind chill watch in effect for over toward Michigan, Wyoming, also in the portion of Utah, and also in the Colorado. Winter storm warning is also in effect there as well, and also in the Utah. Dense fog advisory over California, and also we have some hazards. Also, we had a storm warning from Maine all the way down to portion of Washington D.C., and then some special marine warning. Now, around the islands, I can't even talk. Around the area of Alaska, we have winter weather advisory and blizzard warning to the north. All right, now let's take a look at the rainfall totals over the next 7 years. This is rainfall totals. As you can see, the heavy precipitation off in the Atlantic waters, also across the Gulf of Mexico, across central and south Florida, Ohio Valley. Also, okay, here's the snowfall totals over the next 6 in the Rocky Mountains. over toward Washington as well. Also in the northeastern United States. Also lighter amounts in the blue with maybe 1 to 2 inches expected there. Alright, well I hope everybody enjoyed this video. Everybody continue to stay safe and well. Also enjoy the weather because these videos, share these videos, consider subscribing if you have not. We'll catch you back in the next video. So have a wonderful, wonderful Sunday evening, folks. Take